Good morning. 大家好. Uh, Today we are going to talk about investing concept. ថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងនិយាយពីរឿងតើយើងប្រើទ្រឹស្ដីអីក្នុងការវិនិយោគទុនបាទជាងមុនចូលនៅសាច់រឿងមកស្គាល់ពីខ្ញុំសិនណាបាទអតីតនិស្សិត coursework 2ឆ្នាំផ្នែកបណ្ឌិតផ្នែកហិរញ្ញវត្ថុទិន្នន័យហិរញ្ញវត្ថុពីកោះតៃវ៉ាន់ Okay បាទនេះគឺជាចំណងជើងដែលឡើងធ្វើការបកស្រាយដល់ topic was presented by me during a term of 2 years. Advisor and classmate បាទគ្រូទីប្រឹក្សាហើយនិងមិត្តភ័ក្តិរួមថ្នាក់ Academic achievement and PhD coursework 4.33 បាទលទ្ធផលដែលបានរៀនផ្នែក2ឆ្នាំបាទ PhD ផ្នែកហិរញ្ញវត្ថុ 4.33 Bachelor degree in Finance Banking 2.76 អនុបណ្ឌិតផ្នែកធនាគារហិរញ្ញវត្ថុ 2.76 Master degree in Business Administration 3.53 បាទអនុបណ្ឌិតផ្នែកគ្រប់គ្រងធុរកិច្ច 3.53 ឥឡូវយើងមកមើលសច្ចនាករដែលធ្វើការវាស់វែងក្នុងការសម្រេចចិត្តក្នុងការវិនិយោគទុន Now take a look all indicator that you have to use in order to evaluating when you invest or not. First, payback period method. ទីមួយយើងហៅថា payback period method. The payback period calculation focuses on how long it will take for a company to make enough free cash flow from the investment to recover the initial cost of the investment. ចឹង payback period នេះបង្ហាញថា period គឺរយៈពេលប៉ុន្មានដែលយើងវិនិយោគទុនទៅហ្នឹងទៅបានរួចខ្លួនឬមួយទៅបានចំណេញពេលវេលាណាបាទ វាមានពាក្យពីរម៉ាត់ដែលយើងត្រូវពន្យល់មានពាក្យ initial cost of investment. Initial cost of investment is your beginning cost. For example, like you invest in buying land, building a plant, buying equipment. That all your initial investment or initial cost of investment. ឧទាហរណ៍ថាយើងទិញដីសង់អគារយកមកផលិតដំបូងទីហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹងយើងហៅថា initial cost of investment. Okay, now let's see the example. I don't read here, but I look at the table. If they say initial investment, it means your cost of investment with a negative sign here, the column, it means the money you spent. ចឹងកាលណាគេទៅ initial investment នេះដាក់សញ្ញាដកមានន័យថាលុយយើងបានចាយទៅហើយនៅលើការទិញអគារដីឧបករណ៍ប្រើប្រាស់ហ្នឹងឯង Okay, so it means that all money that spent on land, building buildings, and as well buying equipment, you spend 16,000. Cash inflow. Cash inflow means you make money from all initial investment that produce your cash flow. So for example, year 1, 2,000, year 2, 4,000, year 3, 5,000, year 4, 5,000, and year 5, 5,000. ចឹងយើងឃើញថាចំណូលដែលបានមកពីការប្រើប្រាស់នៅឧបករណ៍ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងឆ្នាំទី1បាន 2,000 ឆ្នាំទី2បាន 4,000 បាន 5,000 5,000 5,000 ចឹងលុយយើងវិនិយោគទៅវា 16,000. So your initial investment is 16,000. So how long is your payback period to break even រយៈពេលប៉ុន្មានធ្វើឲ្យយើងរួចខ្លួន 16,000 នេះ So let's see they calculate for you accumulated inflow start from 2,000 plus 4,000 6,000 plus 5,000 11,000 you invest 16,000 right so you still short another 5,000 so at year 4 you will get 16,000 it means this is a break even I mean your initial cost is 16,000 now you get 16,000 in year 4 so break even in year 4 so after year 4 it will be your profit 21,000 okay so after year 4 you will make a profit that's what it show okay បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលណាបាទលុយវិនិយោគ 16,000 ឆ្នាំទី 1 រកបាន 2,000 ឆ្នាំទី 2 4,000 ឡើង 6,000 ទី 3 5,000 ឡើង 11,000 ទី 4 5,000 ឡើង 16,000 អញ្ចឹងមានន័យថានៅឆ្នាំទី 4 នេះគឺរួចខ្លួនហើយផុតពីឆ្នាំទី 4 ទៅគឺចំណេញអញ្ចឹងគោលការណ៍ក្នុងការវិនិយោគទុនគេអត់ឲ្យលើស 5 ឆ្នាំទេវិនិយោគទុនខ្នាតច្រើនណាបាទលុយច្រើននេះត្រឹម 16,000 នេះស៊ីពេល 5 ឆ្នាំដាក់វាវែងពេកហើយមិនគួររកស៊ីទេរបស់នេះគ្រូអនុម័តឲ្យហើយហ្មងទៅទឹកលុយត្រឹម 16,000 ស៊ីពេលដល់ទៅ 4 ឆ្នាំមករួចខ្លួននេះមិនបាច់រកស៊ីទេរបស់នេះណាបាទ so your initial cost is 16,000 and it takes 4 years to pay back your initial cost it's too long just small amount investment if you ask me do you decide to invest in this project or not I say no because just a small amount investment how long it take 4 years it's too long the project must be 4 to 5 years but a medium amount of initial cost for example start from 20,000 up such kind of a 4 year it makes sense okay but like a 16,000 it doesn't make sense now let's move to another slide now you have 4 projects they ask you which project you decide to invest so it relates to term of investment a payback period just a moment ago so the one is with short term you select it so take a look project A investment 16,000 it make you 4 years okay to get break even project B 16,000 it make you up to 5 years okay why up to 5 years you use the same like a previous example year 1 1,000 year 2 2,000 3,000 year 3 3,000 6,000 year 4 4,000 10,000 and year 5 6,000 so project B take 5 years project A take 4 years okay project C let's take a look plus together okay 10,000 10,000 13,000 see project C take only 2 years plus a little bit more I don't know if we want to calculate we can calculate it okay so maybe 2 or 3 months okay 2 years it's very short than A and B what about project D project D okay project D take too long to get 16,000 here 1,000 plus to 3,000 6,000 and 10,000 it come up to 5 years so project B and project D looks similar project A take 4 years but project C take only 2 years and a couple months so in terms of payback period you have to choose project C we have more tool than just only a payback period okay but now example just only payback period to make you making a decision to select which project is the best ចឹង project ទាំង 4 មិញនេះគឺយើងឃើញថា project C នេះប្រើពេលតែ 2 ឆ្នាំបន្តិចតួចទេ project A 4 ឆ្នាំ project B 5 ឆ្នាំ project D 5 ឆ្នាំជាងអញ្ចឹងយើងគាត់ថា បើយើងពឹងផ្អែកទៅលើតែ payback period គឺ project C នេះគឺយើងជាជំរើសដ៏ល្អរយៈពេលកាន់តែលឿនកាន់តែល្អណាបាទអញ្ចឹងរយៈពេល2ឆ្នាំដើមទុន 16000 នេះ okay it makes sense okay it makes sense move to another slide net present method net present method is called net present value net present value equal cash flow convert to present value together minus the initial cost investment okay initial cost investment so now we have to know each cash flow 1 2 3 and it means a period I cannot say a year I use the word period it might be a month it might be a year so on and so on C0 is initial investment if the result is greater than 0 it means the project make a profit if the result equals 0 the project doesn't make a profit if negative it means you lost នេះគឺជារូបមន្ត net present value ស្មើនឹងចរន្តលុយសុទ្ធទាំងអស់ដែលយើងបដូរទៅជាតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្នដកជាមួយនឹងថ្លៃដើមវិនិយោគទុនប្រសិនបើវាស្មើ0គឺអត់មានបានចំណេញអីទេខាតពេលចាក់ឲ្យប្រយោជន៍ 3-4 ឆ្នាំហ្នឹងប្រសិនវាធំជាង0អាហ្នឹងយើងយកដោយសារវាបានកម្រៃណាបាទហើយបើសិនជាវាតូចជាង0អាហ្នឹងបដិសេធចោលតែម្ដងណាបាទ Move to another slide this is an example the same example okay in terms of net present value okay we see year 0 it means initial cost investment and this is your cash inflow your income year 1 2000 year 2 year 3 year 4 year 5 year 6 so on and so on so now if you want to calculate the net present value you have to use the formula just a moment ago convert all the cash inflow 1 year to 6 year to be a present value use a present value equal future value divided by 1 plus r square n okay here like here you convert a 2000 to a present value you have to know the rate of return so they have to give you a rate of return the rate of return how many percent do they tell you if they don't tell you just look at this one 1 plus 009 it means the rate of return is 9% okay 1 plus 9% equal 1.09 square 1 this is the year 2 the cash inflow of year 2 is 4000 okay square 2 the cash inflow year 3 5000 square 3 so on until year 6 okay square 6 so convert all in cash flow to be a present value by using a present value like this okay we got each year like that plus together over here and less initial investment 16,000 over here so you got 2,835.63 so this is a positive number so your profit your projects make a profit so you make a profit from your project is it good yes in terms of NPV is the best indicator to make you decide to select the project បាទកូនសិស្សរបស់យើងញ៉ាំស្ដាប់អង់គ្លេសបានក៏យល់គ្រូនិយាយជាអង់គ្លេសឲ្យអញ្ចឹងនេះគឺជាឧទាហរណ៍ដដែលទេគ្រាន់តែយើងយកមកគណនានៅក្នុងនៃ NPV net present value វាស្មើនឹងចរន្តលុយសុទ្ធជាតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្នដកជាមួយនឹងថ្លៃដើមវិនិយោគទុនអញ្ចឹងចរន្តលុយសុទ្ធថ្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្ននេះយើងត្រូវបំលែងពីលុយដែលទទួលបានឆ្នាំទី1ទី2ទី4រហូតដល់ឆ្នាំទី6ហ្នឹងឲ្យមកពីតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្នអញ្ចឹង present value of 2000គឺស្មើនឹង2000ចែកឲ្យ1បូកនឹង rate of return ផលដែលទទួលបានឬការប្រាក់ហ្នឹងគឺ 9% អានេះឆ្នាំទី1គឺស្វ័យគុណ1ឆ្នាំទី2ស្វ័យគុណ2រហូតដល់ឆ្នាំទី6ស្វ័យគុណ6ចលនាលុយសុទ្ធឆ្នាំទី6គឺ5000អូខេទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងបំលែងទៅតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្នបានតួលេខមួយនេះឯងណាបាទបូកចូលគ្នាទាំងអស់ទៅដកនឹងថ្លៃដើមនេះមកវាឃើញសល់បាន2845អញ្ចឹង NPV នេះគឺវិជ្ជមានអញ្ចឹងបើកាលណា NPV វិជ្ជមានមានន័យថាយើងរកកម្រៃបានពីការផលិត ការធ្វើកម្រងមួយហ្នឹងណាបាទនេះគឺជាផលចំណេញវិជ្ជមានអូខេអញ្ចឹងល្អទេល្អដោយសារតែវាវិជ្ជមានឃើញណាដោយសារតែវាវិជ្ជមានបាទអញ្ចឹងកម្រងហ្នឹងរើសទេបើផ្អែកទៅលើតែ NPV មួយនេះគឺយើងរើសយកកម្រងតែម្ដងដោយសារតែយើងបានផលចំណេញអូខេផលចំណេញណាបាទផលចំណេញវាជា NPV វាគឺជាសច្ចនាករមួយដ៏ល្អក្នុងការជ្រើសរើសយកកម្រងណាឬមិនរើសយកកម្រងណាណាបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងមកមើលនីតិមួយទៀតយើងហៅថា internal rate of return បាទ internal rate of return នេះវាសាំញ៉ាំបន្តិចណាបាទបើយើងកណនាទៅតាមរូបមន្តរបស់យើងប្រើ interpolation ណាបាទឬមួយគឺជាការសាកល្បងជំនួសចូលទៅថាតើ C0 នេះស្មើនឹងផលដែលយើង convert មកទៅជាតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្នក្នុង rate ប៉ុន្មានអូខេអានេះគឺ C0 ថ្លៃដើមទុនវិនិយោគទុនហើយនេះគឺជាចលនាលុយសុទ្ធដែលយើងទទួលបានរាល់ឆ្នាំហើយយើងបំលែងឲ្យទៅជាតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្នហើយទាំងសងខាងនេះត្រូវស្មើគ្នាឬយកផលសរុបទាំងនេះដកនឹង C0 ទៅគឺស្មើ0អានឹងយើងហៅថា internal rate of return បាទនេះគឺរៀងសាមញ្ញបន្តិចព្រោះយើងសាកល្បងជំនួសតម្លៃ rate of return ចូលទៅនឹងល្មមតែវាស្មើ0នេះណាបាទ so in English so in order to calculate internal rate of return you have to substitute we don't know how many percentage that we substitute into this formula and the result equals 0 when you take all the present value of each cash flow minus the initial cost of investment equals 0 so such kind like hard for student okay to substitute okay random substitute until you got total present value of each cash flow minus the initial investment equals 0 okay let's take a look example here okay so if how is I percentage how much is I's percentage to get all the present value of each cash flow minus initial cost of investment equals 0 so from the beginning example we know that I equal 90 or 9% right okay but now you have to random substitute until you get all sum of each cash flow present value minus initial investment equals 0 so they said okay 14% they know 14% right but you don't know you have to substitute it substitute like 13% like 15% if 13% is below 0 if 13% is greater than 0 or 50% is less than 0 I mean between the 13 and the 15 it must be 14% it's a suitable percentage that you should substitute in I and then you will get 0 okay sometimes you quite similar to 0 okay so this one is quite hard for student okay to substitute okay take time ទៅមួយ indicator ទៀតបាទ PI what is a PI PI they want to compare your cash inflow present value to your cost of investment okay it makes sense if your present cash inflow divided by initial cost equal 1 it means whatever you make a profit equal your cost what for you do that project it's not good so if the present value of each in cash flow divided by initial cost greater than 1 it means that you make a profit from selecting the project okay so greater than 1 is a good sign បាទនៅក្នុងនេះក៏វាជាសចនាករល្អមួយដែរដែលចង់បង្ហាញអំពីអ្វីដែលយើងរកបានតម្លៃបច្ចុប្បន្នទាំងអស់នៃចរន្តលុយសុទ្ធនឹងយកមកចែកជាមួយនឹងថ្លៃដើមនៃការវិនិយោគទុនប្រសិនបើចែកមកស្មើនឹង1មានន័យថាអ្វីដែលរកបានស្មើនឹងដើមទុនអានឹងខាតពេលប្រយោជន៍តែបើចេញមកធំជាង1អានឹងមានន័យថាយើងអាចរកកម្រៃបានពីការជ្រើសរើសយកគម្រោងវិនិយោគទុននោះអូខេបាទ next slide look at this one this is all present value of each cash flow plus together, sum up together, you got this amount number, and this is your initial cost. When you take all income that converted to present value divided by initial cost equal 1.8 is greater than 1, right? That's when we say greater than 1 is good. Okay, this project is good. ចឹងលទ្ធផលនេះចែកចេញមកវាស្មើ1.8ចឹងមានន័យថាការរើសយកគម្រោងនេះល្អដោយសារតែយើងបានកម្រៃណាបាទហ្នឹងវិភាគទៅលើ PI តែមួយទេបាទតទៅទៀត